Hello, where am I? Hello?
They're in that bit.
It's loud, so I don't know if you can hear me, but we're on our way to Norwich, Norwich in Norfolk. I don't know how they speak over there on that part of the world, so ignore the accent. But our train is just arriving at the station, and this is what it looks like outside. It's the country, baby. It's the country. Hello! We just got to Norwich and got off the train, and were greeted by a beautiful canal as we got out of the train station, and now we're walking to go get some food at a food spot. So I'll keep you updated on what we actually get, because Mamacita doesn't know what's going on. I'm a passenger princess on this trip, and I don't know where we're going or what we're doing. I'm just following the leader, which is a common thread throughout all of the videos I've been making this duration of my life. So, la-di-doo, bye-bye. We've walked into a department store because we need to go to the bathroom, but you can see behind me is like a Jellycat thing. And I feel like liking Jellycats is the same vibe as being a Disney adult, honestly. And I'm not ashamed of it. It's nothing to be ashamed of. Being a Disney adult is not a bad thing. Being a Jellycat adult is not a bad thing. I melt at the very sniff or whiff of a Jellycat because they're so cute. But they're just fake things. It's crazy.
Expensive.
There's a tail. We've come into some kind of like building that's 3 floors with a bunch of different food and stuff. So we're gonna try and see if we can find something to eat here. Okay, I don't know if this is any quieter of a space, but we've walked into like a mall area. I wanted to have a chit chat while we were having lunch, but I couldn't because we were sat next to a fan the whole time, which is totally okay. We got Thai food for lunch in this like building called The Yam that was in like a little arcade area right off of where all of the outdoor marketplaces, I think. And it was freaking fire, man. It tasted so good, and it was nice and spicy and just so delicious. What would you rate it?
A 12 out of 10.
A 12 out of 10, people. There you go. That's the commentary that we're doing right now. I don't know what I'm saying. We're on the hunt for headphones because somehow during this trip all of our headphones broke, like across the board, so none of us have any headphones left. And then
My favorite headphones.
my screen protector broke, so I also want to get a new screen protector, but I like having a sneaky screen, so I want to find one that's like kind of hides your shit from people. So let's see what we can find in here. Wow, this is crazy being in a mall. What? Let's go shopping, people. Just kidding. I'm only allowed to buy a few things. I just got this. £3.75. I think it even goes with my outfit. Happy about it. We're in TK Maxx right now. For American people, it's TJ Maxx. They just can't call it TK Maxx. Trying on sunglasses at TK Maxx. My mommy says those ones aren't worth it because they're not an established enough brand. These ones. We can always come back. It's hard to imagine if this would look good because it's been covered by my Batman face. I'm super sweaty and hot. It's too scary in TK Maxx. There are too many people and it's in a dungeon basement. So we're leaving. We didn't get anything that we needed. Oh well. I don't know what we're gonna do now. I think we're going to leave this place. Right? Are we getting out of here? Oh gosh. Malls are scary.
Malls are the worst.
They're not my favorite place either, that's for sure. I've never seen an Auntie Annie's in this country before, so that's pretty cool. I love cinnamon pretzels. I just stared down a boy walking by me because he was looking at me and I was like, I'm just gonna keep looking at you, fool. And I think I scared him. So I've done my job today, scaring little boys away from being evil. We just walked past a beautiful church and then we're staring out at the like market hall area. And I really like this place. This place is really cool. I think it's very fun to be here. Okay, you have to like, instead of making a face, why don't you like contribute something instead of doing your TikTok face that you do?
It's really cool and pretty here and there's so many nice cool food places to eat at.
Okay, ditzy don't go. Come on now.
I will literally smack your chin.
Oh my gosh.
What do you want me to say?
I turned the camera on and she goes, she's so used to like COVID rotted her brain with all of the TikTok going.
That's like not even true.
So now that's all she knows how to do when a camera
I'm just
turns
like
on.
awkward, so I don't know what to do.
So we've just sat down in a graveyard. We're resting our feet after being in another mall. Mall after mall today. But I wanted to look at the Urban Outfitters sale section, but they didn't really have anything. Okay. We're trying to figure out where the lanes are and we have no idea, but we're enjoying a beautiful view of some pretty stained glass window. St. Andrew's
And we're being
Hall.
left again.
And we're being left by our mother. Okay. It's just so fun to sit down. What can I say? So now we're going to walk and try and find these damn lanes that people keep talking about. Look, Mama. Just got back from a run, so excuse me for looking a little crazy, but I just made this like little cereal box thing because I don't have any glasses to look at the solar eclipse. It's so cool. The lighting is crazy right now. It looks insane. Okay, I'm gonna try and see if I can show you the solar eclipse through my so that's the sun behind me, obviously, but through my little contraption. Yeah.